If you are thinking about getting a portable generator, you're gonna wanna check this one out. This is the ERAYAK, this is the 2400P. First thing is it's super easy to start, super quiet. Company did gift this to me and this is my honest opinion. So right here, we've got stop, we've got run, we've got start. We're gonna put it on start. Okay, it's very quiet, okay? So we're gonna put it on run. You can see right here, we've got an eco mode. See, it says eco mode. Put the eco mode on, it's gonna throttle everything down, and you turn the eco mode off, it's gonna go ahead, it's gonna rev it up. We got two standard plugs right there. We got two DC right here. One's for the cigarette lighter, and you got two USB-A ports right there. All right, here's your breaker. So we're gonna turn the power tool on. It's gonna throttle that up. Going into this blue plug, which is this extension right here, we've got a Ryobi battery. We're gonna run that buffing tool. I've also got this light plugged into here as well. It's handling it no problem, so let's turn everything on. So we're gonna go ahead and turn everything on at the same time and see if this can handle it. Okay, so we've got this going. No problem. Two tools, a battery, a light. Let's go ahead and turn it off. And we'll stop it. I take this with me on job sites to keep all my batteries charged. I go to a lot of remote places. All my tools can run off this. As far as how heavy it is, I've got it totally full of gasoline. And it's probably like, I don't know, maybe a little bit heavier than like a full 5-gallon bucket, or maybe even the same. But I can lift it no problem. It's very portable, perfect for camping, perfect for the job site. You could run an appliance off this. You could probably plug a refrigerator and whatever else you want to do in this thing. I love how easy it is to start. Let me show you again. Quick little pull here. Okay. The company did give this to me. This is my honest opinion based on my usage. I love this thing. I think you're gonna like it. Definitely pick it up and check it out. That is my quick review, and thanks for watching.